for watching. @ncert.digital. Science. Textbook for Class 10. Chapter 1. Chemical reactions and equations. Chapter 2. Acids, bases and salts. Chapter 3. Metals and nonmetals. Chapter 4. Carbon and its compounds. Chapter 5. Life processes. Chapter 6. Control and coordination. Chapter 7. How do organisms reproduce? Chapter 8. Heredity. Chapter 9. Light reflection and refraction. Chapter 10. The human eye and the colorful world. Chapter 11. Electricity. Chapter 12. Magnetic effects of electric current. Chapter 13.
Thanks. Please like, share, subscribe.